I think this linen apron needs a splash of color on the pockets. But first, a cat break. Pierre and Jacqueline got this tent for Christmas. I think they're doing a pretty good job of sharing it. Okay, back to work. Color, imperfection, and irregularity are my jam, so I grabbed a pile of colorful linen scraps to work with. Jacques supervised. I used a serger to sew the scraps together only because they're going to be in a high-use area on the inside of the pockets. The pieces could have definitely just been sewn together with a regular sewing machine. And there you have it, a bit of color to keep it custom, professional, and snazzy.